Picture this. You own an electric vehicle. A small accident damages a single battery module. Nothing catastrophic, nothing that should total a car. You take it to the dealership, expecting an expensive repair, but not that expensive. Then the quote lands. $22,500 to fix one section of the battery. Enough money to buy a solid used car outright. This isn't a hypothetical scare story. It actually happened to a Tesla owner, and YouTuber Rich Rebuilds famously showed how the exact same problem could be fixed for nearly 75% less once the repair monopoly was removed. Now pause for a second and ask yourself something bigger. What if a vehicle company watched stories like this unfold and decided this kind of ownership nightmare should never exist again? What if a car was designed from the very beginning to survive accidents, repairs, decades of use, and even multiple owners without trapping you in dealer-only servicing or financially devastating replacements? What if the entire philosophy wasn't about selling you the next car, but about building the last one you'd ever need? That's where Aptera enters the conversation, not as another EV startup chasing range numbers or touchscreen gimmicks, but as a company questioning the entire idea of disposable vehicles. For decades, the automotive industry has quietly relied on planned obsolescence. Cars are engineered to age, to degrade, to become uneconomical to repair at just the right moment, pushing owners back into showrooms, financing another depreciating asset. Rust eats away at metal bodies. Proprietary software locks out independent repair. Parts availability becomes intentionally limited. The system isn't broken, it's working exactly as designed. Aptera is trying to break it. The goal isn't a car that lasts 10 years or even 20. The goal is a vehicle designed to outlive its original owner, a multi-generational machine built on the same longevity mindset as legendary vehicles that earned cult status by refusing to die when properly maintained. But instead of relying on brute mechanical simplicity like older trucks, Aptera is combining modern electric efficiency with aerospace-grade materials and first principles engineering. It starts with the body, because the truth is, most cars don't die because their drivetrains fail. They die because their bodies rot. Steel rusts, aluminum corrodes. Every traditional vehicle begins a slow countdown from the moment it leaves the factory. Aptera chose a different path entirely. The vehicle uses a carbon composite structure known as body-in-carbon, produced by Italy's CPC Group in the heart of Motor Valley, the same region that builds some of the world's most exotic supercars. This isn't decorative carbon fiber, it's a structural composite made from carbon fiber sheet molding compound combined with glass composites, engineered for strength, impact resistance, and longevity. Carbon composites don't rust, they don't corrode. Decades from now, while metal-bodied cars are bubbling, cracking, and weakening from oxidation, Aptera's shell will look nearly the same as it did on day one. Even more impressive, the entire body structure is made from just 6 major components. Fewer parts mean fewer failure points, simpler repairs, and far greater structural consistency. And when those panels eventually reach the end of their service life, they can be recycled multiple times instead of ending up in a landfill. Durability alone isn't enough if repairs are locked behind corporate walls. That's where Aptera's philosophy becomes genuinely radical. Modern automakers have turned vehicle ownership into a gilded cage. Diagnostic software is encrypted, parts are restricted. Repairs are designed to be expensive, complicated, and dealership exclusive. The moment you step outside that system, warranties disappear. Aptera flips that logic on its head. Their right-to-repair approach isn't a marketing slogan, it's a design mandate. Owners are meant to have access to full documentation, repair manuals, diagnostic procedures, and transparent parts pricing. If something breaks, parts are designed to ship quickly, not weeks or months later. Problems can often be diagnosed remotely. Repairs don't require specialized dealer-only tools. That freedom creates options. If you're mechanically inclined, you can handle many repairs yourself using basic tools. Tools Aptera even includes to cover the majority of common maintenance tasks. If you prefer professional service, your local independent mechanic isn't locked out of the system. And if mobile service is available, technicians can come directly to you. Even under warranty, Aptera isn't building a system that punishes owners for choosing independence. The philosophy is simple. If the vehicle is engineered correctly, repairs should be rare, and when they happen, they shouldn't bankrupt you. Underneath the skin, the vehicle continues this obsession with simplicity. Electric vehicles already eliminate huge sources of failure found in combustion cars. No oil changes, no transmissions, no exhaust systems, no timing belts. Aptera goes further by designing the entire platform from scratch around minimalism and efficiency rather than adapting a traditional car layout. Aerodynamics play a massive role here. With a drag coefficient of around 0.13, Aptera moves through the air with dramatically less resistance than almost anything else on the road. Less drag doesn't just improve range, it reduces stress on every mechanical and electrical component. Motors work less, batteries cycle more gently. High-speed driving becomes less punishing over time. The result is a vehicle that ages slower simply because it's not fighting physics every mile. Weight is another silent killer of longevity. Most EVs are incredibly heavy, pushing suspension components, tires, and brakes to their limits. Aptera weighs roughly 1,800 pounds in its 60 kWh configuration, less than half the mass of many electric vehicles. Less weight means less wear across the board, from bearings to tires to suspension joints. Regenerative braking further reduces mechanical brake wear, extending service intervals even more. Solar integration quietly ties everything together. By generating meaningful daily range directly from the sun, Aptera reduces how often the battery is deeply discharged and recharged. That matters more than most people realize. Battery longevity is strongly linked to how aggressively it's cycled. Keeping the pack in a healthier mid-range state of charge can significantly extend its usable life. Even if a solar cell is damaged, the system is modular. Failure doesn't cascade across the entire array. Where Aptera doesn't need to innovate, it doesn't. Instead, it sources critical components from established, proven suppliers. The electric motor comes from a Tier 1 manufacturer with decades of experience. Battery cells are supplied by one of the world's most respected lithium-ion producers. Earlier testing pushed alternative motor configurations through punishing real-world abuse, mud, impacts, extreme loads, validating durability before final production decisions were made. All of this feeds into a financial equation that looks nothing like traditional car ownership. Upfront pricing spans from the high 20s into the mid-40s depending on range configuration, competitive before you even factor in efficiency. Operating costs drop further when solar charging offsets daily driving. Electricity consumption per mile is dramatically lower than conventional EVs, turning energy costs into a rounding error. Maintenance costs shrink even more when repairs are modular, accessible, and not locked to dealerships. Instead of replacing entire systems, individual components can be serviced or swapped. That $22,500 battery nightmare becomes a targeted fix instead of a financial disaster. Over decades, the difference becomes staggering. Most people replace vehicles every 6 to 8 years. Over 30 years, that can mean buying 4 or 5 cars, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars before interest and maintenance. A vehicle that lasts multiple decades fundamentally rewrites that math. Suddenly, transportation stops being a recurring financial drain and starts looking more like a long-term asset. There's also something harder to quantify but just as powerful: community. Aptera owners aren't just customers, they're participants in a shared philosophy: efficiency, independence, sustainability, and ownership without artificial limits. Knowledge spreads organically. Repair guides, efficiency tips, and real-world data circulate freely. Over time, that collective intelligence becomes as valuable as the vehicle itself. Skepticism is fair and necessary. Aptera has a complicated history, including past failures and delayed timelines. Automotive manufacturing is unforgiving. Funding gaps still exist. But what separates this moment from earlier promises is validation. Real vehicles exist. Real testing has been completed. Production intent parts are coming off real tooling. Suppliers are real. Efficiency numbers aren't theoretical, they're measured. At its core, Aptera represents something larger than a three-wheeled solar EV. It challenges the idea that cars should be disposable. It challenges the notion that ownership should be restricted. It challenges the assumption that progress means constant replacement. This isn't the right vehicle for everyone. It won't replace a family SUV or a work truck, but for those who value longevity over novelty, independence over lock-in, and efficiency over excess, it offers something the modern auto industry rarely does anymore: the possibility that one well-designed machine could be enough. A vehicle that doesn't rust, a vehicle you can repair, a vehicle that costs less to own the longer you keep it, a vehicle designed not to be replaced, but to endure. The real question isn't whether this kind of car is possible. The engineering proves it is. The real question is whether the world is ready to stop replacing cars and start keeping them.